Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the battery without causing any damage. First, power off your Asus UX32V and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. There are usually 2 or 3 screws, so ensure you keep track of them. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. At this point, you can install the new battery. Place it in the same position as the old one and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any issues you may encounter. Additionally, we provide collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Once all screws are in place, power on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is working as it should. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect before proceeding with any further work. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Asus UX32V. This process not only extends the life of your laptop, but also enhances its performance. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.